A double murder case that captured the attention of not only South Carolina, but people across the country came to a quick conclusion today.
Jurors wasting no time returning their verdict in the Alex Murdaugh murder trial. ABC's M. Wynn has our story at 10.
After more than a month of arguments from both sides, the jury took less than 3 hours to come back with a guilty verdict. Tonight, in the closely watched double murder trial of Alex Murdaugh, the jury finding the once prominent lawyer in South Carolina's Lowcountry guilty of murdering his wife Maggie and youngest son Paul in June of 2021.
Mr. Murdaugh, you now having been found guilty of 2 counts of murder involving your wife and your son.
That verdict came in after just under 3 hours of deliberations.
Guilty verdict.
The jury siding with the prosecution that focused arguments on several key revelations. First, pointing to how Murdaugh admitted to lying to police about his whereabouts the night of the murders. Second, that 2 crucial items are still missing, a family gun and Murdaugh's clothes he's seen wearing in a video Paul took about an hour before the killings. And third, alleging the 4th-generation lawyer committed the murders in an effort to preserve his legal legacy and gain sympathy, just as his law firm was on the verge of uncovering his alleged financial crimes.
This is a common sense case. And you didn't leave that common sense with you when you came here 6 weeks ago.
The defense had called that theory illogical, saying he was a loving father with no history of violence towards his family.
Even if the financial day of reckoning was impending, if it was right there, Alex would not have killed the people he loved the most in the world. There's no evidence that he would do that.
Tonight, South Carolina's Attorney General, alongside Attorney Creighton Waters, celebrating.
Today's verdict proves that no one, no matter who you are in society, is above the law.
A sentencing hearing is scheduled for tomorrow morning. Murdaugh faces 30 years to life in prison without parole. M. Wynn, ABC News, Walterboro.